Hi and welcome back to We Be Kids. Today we are going to be looking at how to make a springtime wreath for your front door. To make a springtime wreath, you're going to need a wreath that perhaps you've previously made, or you can check out our short tutorial on how to make your own round. You're going to need some string, secateurs, scissors, and a wide variety of springtime blooms. I walk out into nature this morning, turned up these beauties. I'm so looking forward to using these, and our wonderful hawthorn blossoms and the rowan, and I'm excited to see what these are going to look like. You're going to first begin by using your wreath. Ensure that this is still in good nick. This is one that I made previously and has been in various incarnations for making wreaths on our door. Now, if you have yet to make one, check out our short tutorial on how to do that. And otherwise, see if you have something around the house that you could use to create yourselves a wreath. So this willow round or wreath is roughly 30 centimeters at its widest point and is a really nice sort of size and shape to hang on a door. I'm going to begin creating my wreath by tying my string on the outside using a very simple overhand knot, and then going to wrap my string or garden twine around the structure. This is going to create something that I can loop all of my different flowers and leaves into. Now you could use wire for this, or you could use garden twine. Whatever you have to hand, even some wool would work as well. So you just see going in and out and over and around, we're just creating that structure. I'm going to take it all the way around back to the beginning and then back in the other direction for a crisscross effect with more points where I can slot my beautiful flower collection from this morning's walk into. Once you come to the end, cut yourself a length with a pair of scissors and tie that last piece off. Again, just using a very simple overhand knot, looping round some of the strands, and pull that nice and tight, and you can cut off your loose ends. Now you have a structure that is ready to attach your flowers and your leaves into. Next, decide which way up you want to have your wreath hanging. If it is more oval in shape as this is, you might want to decide which is going to be top, bottom, or if you want to have it hanging in its sort of length. Make a choice, and then you can attach yourself another piece of string or garden twine that you can then use for your hanging. Then comes the fun part. Put all the flowers in. So I'm going to continue making my wreath. As you can see, it can take some time, But that's okay, enjoy the process. And there we have it, a beautiful spring wreath to put on our front door. And we look forward to seeing which wreaths you put on your doors and which flowers you choose. Obviously these are here in the UK, it's springtime coming into summer. Everything's just starting to bloom, it looks beautiful. But wherever you are in the world, I am sure you are going to have lots of different resources available to you, and we're excited to see what you create. Take care. Bye from Weeby Kids.